the wire. People loving, walking on the wire. With a great ball of fire, perfect deep for hugging. It's a day for love. I will set you free with my music key. I will set you free. I'll set you free. I will set you free with my music key. I will set you free from your misery. It's the day. It's the day. It's the day. Just like I do, that I'm in love with you. Saw you in my dream. Saw you in my dream. In the high come home with me. Saw you coming home. Come to my home. Are you coming home?
Honey, just giving you a call, after last night to say, you were really hot last night. You were like a god in my bed, playing games in my head and everything, and you were just unbelievable, honey, with your tricks and stuff, and you made me feel like a real woman. So, am I going to see you again? I mean, I'm free all week, so we can get together. I mean, that's if you want to. And I'll just give you my number, because I'm not sure I gave it to you. It's 079 120 139. So just give me a call. I mean, I just really want to see you. I'm lonely. I can't stop thinking about you, and we can get together, and we can make love, and, in the harmony and the unity, it's just you and me, baby. Charlie and me, huh? What do you think? So come on, give me a call.
Saw you in my dream. Saw you in my dream. In the high come home with me. Are you coming home? Come to my home. Are you coming home? That you knew that I'm in love with you. Crazy, crazy, the way I do. It's a night for loving. It's a night for hugging. And it's a night for dubbing. And it's a night for plugging. Don't plug nothing, plug my jack. Lie down on your back, open your leg. Wanna plug you in your head. Plug you in your bed. Yeah. Caress your head. Put you to bed. And say I love you.
At the end of this little video, it got cut out and everything was just like, and I hit the refresh button to cut everything out. So I'm really mad that all the text didn't save, but the pictures and the video and the music saved, so that's good. Basically, at the end of this, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. If you guys want to tweet this to him, even though there's no text to it, you guys could. I'm trying to upload these little vlog things I have here yet to do that tonight, hopefully. But it just really depends. So I just wanted to say thank you for watching. James, if you ever do watch it, I mean, if you could tell by the title, I mean, it's true. I can't help it. I'm sorry. I'm gonna try right now get a picture of this hat and upload it there. That way you guys can see my little snapback I got with my little saying on it. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Yeah. You like this? I know you like that wallpaper very much. But like I said, thank you for watching it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the music to it, and maybe hopefully I can start using this to record like normally right here, like edit my videos. That's what I meant. But thank you guys again, and tweet him at UberHexerNova. And you guys can follow me at UberHexerNova or subscribe to with 2 O's and a D at the end. Right? Yeah. So thanks you guys again. Like the video, comment, and share if you guys want to. So like I keep saying, thank you. Thanks again for real, and bye.